Kuringana na Aikari a Narok ya ithuiro kuria kaingi na kaingi kugomagirwo ni ng'aragu ni undu wa wagi wa maai, riu nimekuhota kurima irio na kwagiriria miturire yao thutha wa thirikari ya Japan kumarehera mutaratara wa kumahe maai matheru na thogora wa ciringi millioni 6. Mutaratara ucio ni uguteithiriria hanene hari gutigirira ciana ni ciacoka mathukuru iria kaingi ire magirirwo ni guthie na mbere ni undu wa thina na maciongiririo makahikithio mari anini.
What we are launching today is what the government is looking forward to in partnering with our development partners to assist us achieve our goal for 2020.
Oho mutaratara ucio ni uguteithiriria thirikari gukinyaniria itugi ciao inya iria ni hamwe na gukorwo na muthitho wa irio.
One, the children will be able to be retained in school because we are going to start a school feeding program that will be assuring children can be retained here, and even their concentration is likely to improve because we expect in the next 3 months we'll have a crop very vegetative in the farm, and I'm happy that the school board of management is owning up.
Oho atumia ni mekuhumuka ng'endo cia kuraya iria mathiaga oro muthenya magetha maai na kaingi makang'etherwo ni ugwati wa gucemania na nyamu cia githaka.
Si tumefaidika juu sasa maji imekuwa karibu na shule. Watoto wetu watakuwa watapanda shamba juu sana maji inakuanga shida.
Girifotera Inoro TV jetagwo Ken wa Kuraya.